Good morning, folks. It is me and Hudson here. We're out here in the morning. The sun just came up, the birds are singing, and I just wanted to share with you that this is the best time to go look at your garden. Here it is. But one of the reasons for that is, well, number one is beauty. This is the most beautiful time of the day to look at your garden. There's still dew droplets sitting on the plant from the morning dew. The birds are singing, and generally it's just a quieter time of the day. There's not so much hustle and bustle. And so I always make a point, like, if I can get out to the garden, I'm going to enjoy the garden a lot more right when the sun comes up, or 20 minutes after, or whatever, than I am in the heat of the day or whatever. That's the other thing. I mean, it's just downright pleasant right now. I haven't even gotten dressed yet, and I'm very, very comfortable out here. Now, come summertime, probably gonna get swarmed with mosquitoes, but hey, it's March, it's been dry, and it's pretty nice, and I'm not getting bit up yet. So, I just want to show you some other things. The day flowers. We have a lot of spiderwort in this yard, and by 2 o'clock, the spiderwort flowers are all shriveled up. But as you can see, check this out behind me. You see all these little purple flowers back here? Hey, buddy. All these purple flowers back here are spiderwort, and they're opened up. They're beautiful and glorious, purple. Actually, I have a white one right here. Look at that. A white spiderwort. That's funny, but of course the rest of these are purple. I just wanted to encourage you to get up in the morning, come out in the morning, be intentional about it, and observe your garden, look at it, enjoy it, and you don't have to do any work. You can just look at it. So that's my encouragement for you this morning, is to go look at your plants in the morning, and they're just going to look the best at this time of the day. If I come out here at 3 o'clock, my collard greens might be looking a little wilted, and I'll be compelled to water them. But of course, the other thing is irrigation. You want to irrigate during a time of day where not all your water is going to evaporate. So morning is a good time to irrigate as well. Morning and evening. So that's just my gardening tip of the day. How to fully enjoy your garden. So have a great day, guys. God bless.